To check your Bank of Baroda account balance, you can follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have a valid account with Bank of Baroda and have registered for their online or mobile banking services. If you have not registered yet, you can do so by visiting the Bank of Baroda website or mobile application and following the registration process. Step 1. Choose your preferred method to check your account balance. Bank of Baroda offers several options, including online banking, mobile banking, ATM services, and SMS banking. For online banking, visit the Bank of Baroda website and log in with your user ID and password. For mobile banking, download and install the Bank of Baroda mobile application on your smartphone. Step 2. If you are using online banking, click on the Account Summary or Account Balance option after logging in. This will display your current account balance. If you are using mobile banking, navigate to the Account Services or Account Balance section of the application. Step 3. If you prefer to use ATM services, visit a Bank of Baroda ATM, insert your debit card, and enter your PIN. Select the Balance Inquiry option from the menu and your account balance will be displayed on the screen. Step 4. For SMS banking, send a message to the designated Bank of Baroda SMS banking number with the required keyword, such as BAL, followed by your account number. You will receive an SMS with your account balance. It is essential to keep your account information and login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access. Always log out of your online or mobile banking session when finished and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these steps, you can easily check your Bank of Baroda account balance using the method that is most convenient for you. Remember to regularly review your account statements and transaction history to ensure accuracy and detect any suspicious activity.